Hey, what's up guys? Are you looking for a townhouse here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, we are going to be touring the Plan 1. We are in the community of Southridge by Tripoint Homes, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to South Point Ridge by Tripoint Homes. Now today we are here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, the nearest cross streets is going to be Silverado Ranch and Decatur. So we're really close to the 15 freeway. Now if you're looking for a place that's easy access to the freeway, only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get to the Las Vegas airport and the strip, this is definitely a community worth considering. Now guys, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you, okay? So they offer 4 different floor plans here. They offer the Plan 1, 2, 2X, and 3. They're gonna range from about 1642 square feet all the way up to 1899 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $402 all the way up to $438, okay? Whenever you see base price, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included. So the lot premiums here, so for upgrades, I would factor in about 10% of the base price. So I wanna say at most, you'd be spending you'd be under like $40,000 for upgrades that you'd be putting in these townhomes. Now, lot premiums are gonna range between $3,000 to $5,000. That's like the median lot premiums, but they do have larger lot premiums as well that will be $15,000 to $20,000. Some of those lots will include like an 18-foot driveway. So if having like a driveway matters to you, then you could definitely do one of those. Here, they're going to be doing a little mixture of doing spec homes as well as building from lot up. So it just kind of depends on when you get in, because they do have some homes, they already picked out the options. They'll be ready in about 3 or 4 months. But if you came in earlier and you want to completely choose all your options, your structural upgrades, they are open to that. You just have to like a further close date, but they'll accommodate you, okay? So as far as the HOA goes, $210 a month. It's gonna include a pool, cornhole, dog park, exterior paint, the roof, street maintenance. I believe it is gated too. So yeah, just shoot me a text and I'll double check that for you. They're gonna have 86 homes here. Something really nice about these townhomes, they're all gonna have backyards too. So if you have pets and you're considering a townhome, well, yeah, this one has a backyard. It's gonna be about 10 to 13 feet deep, okay? But yeah, let's get started with the tour. Right, so welcome to the Plan 1. The Plan 1 is going to be 1642 square feet, 2 to 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and the base price is $402, okay? $402,000. All right, now this is always going to be an inside unit. Now this is going to be also their smallest floor plan, okay? Yes, and then this would be the garage to the Plan 1, 2-car garage, okay? Okay, so welcome in. Now, as soon as you walk inside the Plan 1, this is what you see. You'll see these very high ceilings, okay? You're gonna have the door to your coat closet right there. Okay, up there is gonna be your loft, but it'll be your optional bedroom 3 as well. Okay, so the door to the garage. Again, doors to the garage are always locked because that's just how it is. A lot of times they keep it as storage for the construction workers. Okay, so right here, you're gonna have this is like a coat closet. You got some storage space over here. Okay, now this is gonna be your powder room. Got the upgraded stair rails right here. Okay, so welcome to the main living area. Now you do have 9-foot ceilings here. Okay, so nice and open. Here, now I will tell you guys what is standard in, let me go ahead and share what is standard in the kitchen. So what would be standard? Everything that you're seeing here is optional, okay? So for the kitchen, you get, standard would be a stainless steel appliance package. You get the range, micro hood, okay? The dishwasher, you get birch cabinets and saddle, satin nickel knobs, okay? You'll have the 12-inch cabinet over the refrigerator, just as you see. You also have 42-inch cabinets, which those are 42-inch cabinets, but these are upgraded colors, okay? You'll have the Delta chrome pull-out faucet, which I think that is a standard cabinet right there. I mean, standard faucet. This is a stainless steel single basin sink, so that's optional. Standard would be the dual basin sink, okay? And then you would also have like a quartz. This is upgraded quartz, but you'd have a quartz countertop option. I think there's like 2 colors you could pick from, but you would have like a 6-inch backsplash as well. The pulls you're looking at are optional. Everything here you're looking at is optional, okay? Actually, I do like this color. Looks like this brown's coming back in. I mean, browns in general are coming back. So here we do have your pantry. Okay, you also have this like 2-panel door. That's standard. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. But yeah, you also have a little backyard. Now that's important to a lot of buyers, having a small backyard. Especially if you have pets, you know, your pets need to go to the bathroom somewhere. So yeah, let's head upstairs. You're gonna get flat corner edging, just as you see here. These baseboards are 3-inch baseboards, so that is actually standard, I believe. Okay, so we'll head upstairs. Now you'll have your primary bedroom to the left and the laundry room. And then to the right, you're gonna have your secondary bedroom, and then you'll have this loft. But again, you could also, if the builder hasn't already picked out the structural upgrade, you could either have this the loft or the 3rd bedroom. Most of the time though, the builders are gonna, I think they're gonna choose the 3rd bedroom, because for resale purposes, it's easier to sell 3 bedrooms compared to 2. Okay, you have a decent sized room. Also, you have it's 8 foot ceilings on the 2nd floor. Okay, oh, look at that. So yeah, this cabinet stretches out. You have quite a few windows. Okay. All right, so we're here. This bedroom has its own full bath. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if you made this an option for a 3 bedroom, then I think you'd have like the obviously the bathroom wouldn't be connected to that bedroom. Okay, so here you're gonna have your laundry room, which is really nice because it's right next to the primary bedroom. Okay, again, washer and dryer is not included. So you'll have the smart panel box there. That's gonna be where you set up, you have your coax cables, your internet router, and your modem is gonna stay in there. Okay, nice. So we got more linen space right over here. And then we do have these transfer grills. So all the bedrooms are gonna have transfer grills. And for the primary bedroom, you're gonna have the jumper duct Okay, so the only difference between those is, I mean, well, the whole purpose is just to regulate the airflow in the house, but the jumper ducts is going to be more privacy, because you won't hear too much sound, as opposed to the transfer grills where sound travels through. Right, so welcome to the primary bedroom. It's actually very spacious. This is a king size bed, but look at how much room there is. Now guys, if you are interested in a new build community and you're thinking about visiting, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, let them know that you plan on visiting a new build. Whatever you do, just don't show up on your very first visit by yourself with no agent, because once the builder gets your information, they won't let you have representation down the road, and the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, okay? So it's our job, we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable, we make sure you get the best incentives, and the builders pay the realtor fee. So, okay, definitely a win-win. So this is the primary bath. So you have your dual sinks, your shower tub, combo right there. Okay, I think this is the standard quartz. Pretty sure that's the standard quartz in the bathroom. Cool, so you got your toilet room in there. All right, and this is your primary closet. It's actually pretty spacious, and then you have your attic access right up there. All right guys, yeah, let me know what you think of this floor plan. If you have any questions, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, give me a call or shoot me a text, okay? Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.